Let's take a quick look at the crypto market right now. Bitcoin, Ethereum, are they pumping or dumping today? Markets are always moving, and that's why understanding cryptocurrency is so important. Have you ever wondered what cryptocurrency actually is? You've heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, but how do they work? And why are people calling crypto the future of money? In this video, I'm going to break it all down in simple terms, no complicated jargon. So by the end, you'll know exactly what crypto is and why it matters. My first encounter with crypto. I remember the first time I heard about Bitcoin. It was years ago, and honestly, I thought it was just some internet money that wouldn't last. Back then, Bitcoin was just a few cents. Fast forward to today, it's worth thousands of dollars per coin. Imagine if you had bought just $100 worth back then. That's when I realized crypto isn't just hype, it's a revolution. What is cryptocurrency? So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Definition: it's a digital currency that uses blockchain technology to process transactions securely, without banks or middlemen. Blockchain explained. Simply, imagine a Google Doc that everyone can see but no one can edit alone. That's how blockchain works. It's a public ledger that records every transaction. How is crypto different from regular money? Decentralized. No bank controls it. It's peer-to-peer. Limited supply. Many cryptos, like Bitcoin, have a fixed supply, unlike printed money. Fast and borderless. You can send money anywhere in the world in minutes. Look at this. I can send Bitcoin from my wallet to another person instantly, with low fees. No bank approvals, no delays. That's the power of crypto. How to get started with crypto. So, how do you buy and use cryptocurrency? Step 1. Choose an exchange. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken let you buy crypto. Step 2. Set up a wallet. Store your crypto in a safe place. Hot wallet for convenience. Cold wallet for security. Step 3. Start small and learn. Don't go all in. Invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto prices move fast. That's why it's important to do your research and understand risk. Real-life crypto success stories. The Bitcoin pizza story. In 2010, a guy named Laszlo Hanyecz bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 BTC. Today, that's worth millions of dollars. Big brands accepting crypto. Today, companies like Tesla, Microsoft, and even Starbucks now accept crypto payments. It's becoming mainstream. Crypto isn't all sunshine and Lambos. Scams are everywhere. Red flags to watch out for. Get rich quick. Crypto schemes, fake giveaways, unverified investment platforms. Only use trusted exchanges. Secure your wallet and never share your private keys. Final thoughts. Cryptocurrency is changing the world, but it's still new. Quick recap. Crypto is digital money powered by blockchain. It's decentralized, secure, and fast. Start by using trusted platforms and wallets. Always do your research before investing. Do you own any crypto? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you